guys, it's me Akisha from Denise TV, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Ariel from the Little Mermaid. That's from Disney. And first up, we need two peach out of these. So you can see there's a lot of colors here. And so first do like this, and next add one of this, maybe right here, okay. And next add these two black cups on the side of it. And next add two more peach cups on the middle. See, cycle eyes, but it's not done yet. First do like this for the forehead. See, now it's like complete. Should I add one more? No, that's too ugly. So that's her face, Ariel's face. And now time to build her hair like this. First add 2/4 on the side of it like this. Make sure one of it is really light. I don't know. And put a little, put 1, 3, no, that was wrong. So that'll be later. So put 3 here, on the little spot here. 2 of those. Those, and look. Now that's her hair. And next, add one more of this, like this. It's there. Oh no! And we just snap them together and put them there. Now next, add little 2. Oh wait, was I doing this right? Maybe 4. This one. Add 1/4. I mean 1/4. Yeah, 1/4. And another 4 on the other side. So wait. Oh, I was really wrong, but I really mean 2. The 2 one. The 2. This one, I mean this one. So like this. So next, add the 3. Add both of these. Look at this. And now add the 4. And we just get this like this. There. My hair is kind of messy, so let me add some 3 here. A 3. And another 3 on the other side, like here. Leave 1 space. Oh no! Like that. So now her hair is starting to change. So after that, after you add the 3, you need to add 2 on the sides. The sides right here. Like this. Add the 2 right here. This one. And the other one. Also the same. Look. Now. Look. And now, maybe add some of these 3. Yeah, maybe some of these. Oh, this is wrong. Sorry. So, let me get maybe 4. Is there any 4s here? Or I finished the doll. Maybe I finished the 4 doll. Oh, wait. There's one more here. Just build it by myself. Oh no! There. So next, maybe add the 3, maybe the 3 like this. another 3. And then next add more 3. No, maybe 2. Add 1, 2, and another 3. Same thing on the other side. Add 1, 2, and 1, 3. That's her hair. Maybe it's a little too long. So for her neck, I'm just gonna use this piece for her neck. So I should change her hairstyle right now. Never mind. So this is how I make my Ariel head. Oh no!